How does the soil of the earth know the vegetables and fruits our body needs? Not vaguely, but what exactly we need. When the child needs lunch at midday, you have to start cooking in the morning. How did nature know billions of years ago that man would need fuel to run his vehicles? We do not know when the process started, perhaps even before the birth of man. How does nature know that some people will be born in the distant future, after some thousands of years, and that they will discover things which need petrol? Try and manufacture it now. You will then know nature's intelligence. When iron is given, instruments are made out of it, but iron itself cannot be made. How much love should nature have for us? How much love should it have towards us that it gives us gold with which we decorate ourselves and get immense pleasure? Even our love for ornaments she knows about and provides the necessary things. More iron and less gold is available in nature. How does nature know that we require more iron and less gold? Let us be wise enough to recognize the wisdom of nature.